Okay, so in this video, we will cover the last topic remaining for your Python introduction session, which is going to be the string formatting. So how we can format string basically. For example, you have conducted certain experiment and you receive two results, right? And then you want to print in a statement that result, so that you can understand what are it's like put it in a good looking way kind of a thing. So let's start with that. So let's say I have a result one, which is, let's say, some value, and then result 2, which is also some value. Okay, so these are the test results or some results you have obtained and you are stored in a variable. Again, we can also define variables. Let's say I have, and let's say, okay, so this is also a acceptable way of defining the variables and assigning the value. So if you see this result 3, it will have value 790, and result 4 will have value 450. Okay, so that is something we can also do. Now I want to print this in a readable, understandable format. So the test result, the let's say first test result, okay, first test result is, and then I'll put a comma, then I'll try to copy this. Second test result, comma, third test result, comma, and fourth test results. Okay, so if I take this and copy it here, right? And okay, so if you print this, right, this won't work because this this is still a string. This is not the result or the result which the values which you want to append, right? So this is not like that it will work. Okay, this will consider it as a string. Now to do that, for what we can do, there is multiple ways and I will be talking about that. So first way is, whenever you have this, you break the string. Okay, we'll break the string and we'll put a plus symbol, plus symbol, and then we'll put test. Okay, so we have to do str, and then we can put result 1, and this you need to do for everyone. Just we need to change the things a little bit. Okay, so I hope it's not overwhelming for you. Just very simple thing. I'll show you very easy ways also. This is just we are trying to understand different types which exist. Okay, so when I execute this time now, you see it is saying that the first test result is 100, second is 500, and third is, okay, so this is the thing, should be third. Okay, my bad, this should be 2, this should be third. Yep. So this is what we desire. This is string formatting, right? So again, this is a very one way of doing it, right? So the other way. So again, for example, if we have multiple, then you have to add here, and it won't be readable or something. So there is another way we can do that. So the other way is so using a format function. So there is a function called format. Okay, so this is my one. So this is a list of tuples basically. You know, you should use in a increasing from 0, and wherever the sequence wise I'll show you in a moment. Now there is a function called format. Okay, now in format what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the values. So what at 0 here, what value should come, and then what value shall come at the 1, and what value comes, and similarly 4. So basically the result 1 value it will put here, and result 2 value here, and result 3 value here, and result 4 value here. Let's see whether it works or not. Perfect, it has worked, right? So that is one way, another way of doing. And also in Python we have string formatting option, where we can still copy this, and instead now I have to use a format function. And so what if I directly put the value here, right? So then we can use like that. You just put f in front of the uh, string, and then simply copy this and paste it wherever you would like to use it. So it should be in the curly braces, and whatever you put inside curly braces, it's gonna be taking that value. Okay, it will work. Now we will cover functions in upcoming videos. Just I'm creating a test function which basically takes to value, and it returns some of the value. Okay, so then if I do f the result equals to test 2 in comma 4. Okay, so we can even call a function from here. So you see here, we just called the function, passed the value, and it has returned the result. So that's also we can do here. Okay, so this is how we can format. There may be any other options and things which if you feel like using something else, it's okay. However, we can achieve the formatting using these methods. That's all for this video. Thank you. See you in another video.